Well, here's the dentistry laboratory system. I'd like to start off by coming to the all elusive feed line, 1.5 inch copper coming in, as you can see, running across, transitioning to PVC. PVC right into our double pass RO system, feeding right in here. This is our pre-treatment chemical. We've got anti-chlor and anti-scale chemical feeding into our double pass RO system. We also have a dual flow meter system. One is monitoring the city water coming in. The other one will be monitoring the product flow going out, so that we can find out how much water we are actually using and how much is going down the drain. We come around this way. We've got our disconnects, and we've got our control panel. Very simple control panel. Runs the whole system as the motor starter and on-off and off auto switches for the pump and for the UV. Here is the back of the RO system. We run into 4 membranes on the first pass, 2 on the second, with all the necessary gauges, flow meters, valves. We've got our reverse osmosis controller with the resistivity meter on here, and I don't know if you can tell, but we seem to be doing quite good on that resistivity. It's reading 7 mega ohms right now. This is our recirculation skid. We've got the new Gould's horizontal multi-stage pump there. That little pump is actually running and pushing water through 8 floors. We're on the 8th floor, pushing water down through all the floors and back up and into our storage tanks here. We got a UV and a couple of final filters for bacteria. So I'll come back around this way. You see our tanks there. All of our plumbing is situated back here with a back pressure regulator. As you can see, here's our loop, supply and return, going out to the building. And we'll back around this way. By the way, the light and all that were put in by the facilities here. I think they did a great job. Here are the 2 tanks. These were existing here. We tied them in on the bottom there with the drain. Both tanks are feeding into the pump intake there. That's the return with the pressure, back pressure regulator and block and bleeds. And the 1/2 inch line coming up over is the feed from the reverse osmosis. It feeds both tanks. So that is the dentistry system. As you notice, there is no DI bottles, because we are actually making a spec of 1 mega ohm, which is their spec. And they're feeding laboratories, which usually will use a point of use system. Thank you very much.